Remove the TOF sensor FPC. Use metal tweezers to remove the infrared light subboard from the original front cover assembly. Remove the fingerprint sensor module and attach the fingerprint sensor foam. Take a new front cover assembly. Apply the thermal adhesive as instructed. Adhesive amount around 110 milligrams. Install the TOF sensor FPC. Infrared light subboard. Insert the PCBA in the front cover assembly and then install the motor subboard. Rear cameras. Fingerprint sensor module. Speaker. SIM card subboard. Install all coaxial cables. Install the main FPC. Install the SIM card subboard connection FPC. Fasten the battery B2B connector.